Wouldn't it be interesting if you can start making $150 every 60 seconds with just a few clicks of a button on your computer or smartphone using Paydira? Yes, you heard me right. You can start earning $150 just by clicking some buttons on your computer, and you can make a lot more money when you repeat this process every single day. Just imagine how much money you could make by just simply using a mobile phone or a computer, pressing on a few buttons and making money without any skills or any experience. This strategy is 100% free and works for all countries worldwide. Please pay close attention to 2 special bonus tips that I'll share with you throughout the video. You can't miss these steps, so make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell for new money-making videos. The first thing you need to do is you need to set up and create a free PayPal account by visiting paypal.com. Click on Sign Up by clicking this button over here. Make sure you provide the required details and log into your PayPal account. If you don't want the PayPal option, you can set up your bank account online by searching in the Google Online Bank Account and sign up for a free account. Now, the website that I want to share with you today is paydira.com. You can open the website using your phone or computer, and this is the reason why I love this website. You can cash out your minimum payout, which is $4, and within 1 day you can receive your first payment. There are so many jobs that you can do on this website. You are not limited to how much money you want to earn per day. If you pay close attention and watch this video until the end, I'll show you a powerful tip that you can apply right away, and you can just click a few buttons and make more money over and over again. Now, as you can see here, you can do a lot of things and make money on Paydira.com. You can sign up on different tasks. You can do surveys. You can upload videos. You can invite and refer friends to make extra money. You can write articles. You can do so many things on Paydira.com. Currently, Paydira.com has this amount of members, millions of tasks done, and this is the amount of money for their payouts sent out to people from all over the world. Make sure you stay tuned because I'll show you exactly how you can earn money just like this. Take a look at this user from this country making some extra income from this website. Look at another user making this amount of dollars from this website. And they are so excited to share their experience, check out their payment proof, and more. People from different countries, as you can see here, are making money on this website. I can show you different payment proofs, which means this is real and legitimate. I'm interested in knowing where you're coming from, so just comment down below and let me know the country you're living in. If you're ready to sign up for a free account, just click on this blue button at the top and you'll be directed to this page. Register for a free account and start making money. You can start today and make 30% more money than others when you follow my unique method. Just enter your name, username, email, password, and just click on Sign Up and create a free account. It's that easy. Now, once you've successfully created an account, you can start doing some surveys. You can download apps, you can do tasks, you can invite your friends, upload videos, you can do so many things to make money, which I'll show you exactly how to do. I want to quickly show you some of the examples. So once you're signed in, you can do surveys just like this and earn 50 cents, 60 cents, 45 cents, and there are a lot of services which you can do and unlimited surveys. There are new surveys almost every day. Just click on the refresh button and you can see new services popping up. You might be thinking that the surveys are just paying low amounts of 50 cents and 60 cents, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the magic. Now I'm going to give you a live demonstration and show you exactly how to press buttons and start making money. Let me show you an example using this survey. Just click on this one right here, then click on this green button right here, and then you will come over to this page. You can start taking surveys right now by simply clicking on buttons, and you don't even need to answer any survey. Yes, you heard me right. Just go ahead and click on this blue button, and then you're going to load up on this website. Once it's finished loading, they will start asking you a few questions. For example, this is the first question. You just have to click on either one of these answers. Just simply click on whatever you want because they don't even care about your answer. Let's scroll down a bit and click on the next button, the blue button right here. It's actually pretty hidden at the bottom of the website, so make sure you click on this red button and then again, they're going to load up on the website and show you this. So just scroll down to continue. You don't even have to answer anything on this page. You just have to scroll down to the very bottom of the website and just click on continue now. I love this website because every single button that you click earns you 50 cents. Now we have provided answers to 2 questions, which means you have earned $1. Now for the next question, just provide an answer, click on them, and then scroll down. Click on the next button. You can do this for unlimited times daily. Just scroll down below, then continue to answer more questions by clicking on the next button. All you need to do is to keep repeating the same process again and again and clicking on continue. You can see here another 50 cents has been added instantly. Just keep repeating the same process over and over again without answering any questions. Now, if you want to make more money, you can repeat this method for different surveys. They have hundreds of surveys, and the best thing about this website is that once you're done with the first 10 surveys, you can unlock surveys that can earn you more money. I've not heard people talking about this before. For example, instead of making 50 cents, you can make $1 for every survey. And when you do another 10 more surveys, you can make $2. So make sure you keep on continuing and doing the same process, and you might be thinking that I'm not doing any real work and this website is paying me money by just clicking on buttons. This is too good to be true. Is this for real or is it a scam? Well, let me clear your doubts. The reason why they're paying you money to press on the continue button is simply because they want to show you the ads on their website. And if you accidentally click on their ads, they're going to make money. And they want you to keep browsing on their pages and keep on clicking on the continue button because they hope that you'll accidentally click on any of these ads to make them money. So that's the truth about the website, and I've never heard people talking about this. But if you want to save time and stress, ensure you always scroll down to the bottom of the website and just click on continue. And then you can repeat the same process over and over again, and sometimes they ask you some random questions. Just provide an answer. Just scroll down below and click on next. And this is how this website is making money as well. They want people like you and me to sign up, and then we press buttons. We do these surveys. We make money on this website, and as we do that, they're going to make money as well using the paid advertisements on their website. So this is a win-win situation for both of us. So don't bother about the ads, ignore the ads, just focus on going down to the very bottom of the page and click on the continue button. You can do a lot of different jobs on this website and make money over and over again by just clicking on the buttons. This works for any country worldwide, no restriction whatsoever. Anyone can do this and you can work as much as you want. And the more time you invest in it, the more surveys that you can do and the more money you're going to earn. Now this is the bonus tip. When you're done with all of the surveys, what you need to do next is hit on the refresh button, wait for new surveys to pop up, and you can continue to check them regularly, or you can receive a notification inside your account. And then they'll show you their new services that you can do. And the secret here is to just repeat the same process which I've shown you. Just click on the continue button and keep on making money. It's that simple. Do you want to know how you can make $500 or more from smart copy and pasting? Click here.